What is an ultimate dream bath? It's an inviting retreat. Elegant, luxurious, and modern. It's a place to relax and unwind. A personal escape from the everyday world. It's everything you could want in a bathroom, and we call it the Suite Retreat. The Suite Retreat is the gorgeous bathroom you've always dreamed of, with every thoughtful detail designed to blend modern convenience with elegance and style. From the moment you step into the Suite Retreat, you'll experience a personal 5-star getaway. Lay back, close your eyes, and indulge yourself with a long soak in your oversized bathtub. Let the soft, warm glow of your built-in electric fireplace ease you into total relaxation. Or gently wash away the tensions of your hectic day in your handcrafted ceramic shower with its unique glass enclosure and rain-style shower head. You can pamper yourself with the spacious double vanity with large custom-framed mirror and abundant lighting for applying those finishing touches. With the Suite Retreat, you can wake up and prepare for a new day in a bright, spacious master bathroom. Or when it's time to unwind, escape to your private sanctuary and let the Suite Retreat carry you away. Either way, the Suite Retreat's large windows with plantation shutters and modern window treatments let you create the perfect mood. From the stylish brushed nickel fixtures to the lighted makeup mirror to the thoughtfully designed storage spaces, unique touches are everywhere. It's all intended to make the Suite Retreat the ultimate dream bath.